Here's something a lot of videographers don't think about. What happens if a client says your footage didn't meet the contract or you delivered late and they claim it cost them money? That's not a broken camera issue. That's a professional liability issue. General liability covers accident like damage to a venue or someone tripping over your tripod. But professional liability is different. It protects you if a client claims your work caused them financial loss. For example, maybe you're filming a wedding and the footage gets corrupted. Or you miss a key scene at a corporate event and the client says they lost money because of it. Without professional liability, you could be paying out of pocket for legal fees or settlements. With Next Insurance, you can add professional liability coverage right to your videography policy. It's tailored for freelancers and small businesses, so you're not paying for stuff you don't need. But you're still protected if a client comes after you for mistakes, delays, or even just misunderstandings. If you're shooting a video for clients, don't skip this. Adding professional liability is the difference between one bad client sinking your business or just being a bump in the road. Use my link in the description to check out Next Insurance. It only takes a couple of minutes to get covered, and you'll have instant proof of insurance to share with your clients. Protect yourself and focus on your craft with peace of mind.